I often see this when we're migrating client from a legacy system, okay, to a modern integrated uh, enterprise asset management system, is that especially with their asset structure, the data is scattered or plainly incomplete, and then the maintenance technician, they do with what they have, and they just raise a work order, sometimes without an asset or just with an asset that's called, balance of plant or a very generic asset, and without this traceability, it's impossible to switch from reactive to predictive because we're not able to correlate what's the root cause of the inefficiencies or downtime from these assets. Okay, we might have, let's say, 8 pumps, but if we don't track specifically what pump keeps breaking, maintenance managers are just navigating blindly.
So one of the core strengths of TAC is how it handles preventive maintenance. Instead of relying on various Excel files like we used to do, just to keep track of things like inspections, pressure vessel checks, pipeline inspections, or other legal compliance tasks, we now manage it all indirectly in the system. TAC allows us to schedule recurring tasks based on calendar dates or rules, and automatically generates work orders to ensure everything gets done in time and nothing falls through the cracks. And using the TAC date meter policies, it is possible to set up plans where preventive actions, inspections, or overhauls are automatically turned into work orders on a scheduled basis. The overview gives department managers also a direct and up-to-date overview of all preventive maintenance that needs to be carried out.